how to curl your hairs using hair curlers, and also I'll show you my top 2 favorite hair curlers that I use to curl my hairs. So let us start this video. But before starting this video, if you're new to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So guys, this is my first hair curler, and this is the name as it goes. So the name of this curler that I have is Hot Wand, and here you can see it is. So it is a beautiful hot one, and you can get very beautiful curls just like that of a mini. Before showing you how to curl your hairs, let me first show you my another curler that I have, and it is the iconic curling tong, and here you can see. So now I will show you how to curl your hairs. Now before curling your hairs, you need to do sectioning, but since if you are doing it by yourself, then it will be difficult for you, so take some help from someone, friends or your moms, to curl your hair. Then it will be easier for you. Otherwise there will be hair strands that you will leave without curling, so it's better to take some help from someone to curl your hairs. Now let me show you how to curl your hairs. So guys, this is the Hot Wand, iconic Hot Wand. Also power switch, and you will have to on these power switch before using this. After that, there is temperature regulation up to 220 degrees Celsius. So basically I do curling at least 185 or 190 degrees Celsius. At that temperature, the curls are somewhat rigid and they get fixed for a long time, so it's better to take some higher temperature and go for curling rather than going for a low temperature. So guys, now I'll show you how to curl your hairs using this Hot Wand. First of all, we'll have to put the plug, and then now I'll switch on the power. So I'll be curling my hairs at 185 degrees Celsius. So you can curl your hairs at 185 to about 210 degrees Celsius. 220 degrees Celsius is somewhat higher, so it may damage your hair. So I used to curl my hair at 185 degrees Celsius. Now I will show you how I curl my hair, but it's always better if you take the help of someone in order to curl, because it is very difficult to curl your own hair. Guys, I bought these curlers online from the Iconic website, so you can also buy these curlers from there. The link to buy these curlers will be given below in the description box, so if you want to buy, you can check them out. Now how to fix these curls. So in order to fix these curls, there are hairsprays. So this is a hairspray which is Gatsby, and I bought it from a local shop, and it cost me ₹100. So it is very cheap and also very good, because they will fix your curls for about a day. After that, you'll have to wax your hairs to remove this, because this kind of sprays are very sticky, and also they will be very stiff. The hair will become stiff after you apply this spray, and always try to spray from somewhat a distance. So guys, if you like this video, then please hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.